Do you treat Uber driving as a business, or is it just a side hustle to earn extra income? Let's begin the conversation in the comments below. Hi, and welcome to Ride Hustle, the channel where we dive right behind the wheel of an Uber driver here in London. If you are new here, welcome. I'm your host, Bola. In today's episode, I'll be taking you through another full day of Uber driving experience. I'll be showing you my trips, earnings, and expenses at the end of it, so you can see what hustle actually looks like behind the wheel. Please stay tuned. Hello, please come in.
Thank you.
How are you? All right?
Yeah, back pain today, boss.
Oh no,
Sorry.
oh, that's all right. You take your time.
Oh, God.
Never mind at all. Yes.
Thank you.
No worries at all.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
We shall do. Thank you very much, and you too.
I'll try. Oh, God, school runs soon anyway.
I know, that's true.
Yeah.
It's just past 2, isn't it? A few
Can't
minutes
wait.
past.
Yeah.
You'll be fine, I'm sure.
Take care, sir.
Thank you.
Lovely day.
And you, bye-bye. All right. That's first trip of the day completed. It was a distance of 14.83 miles. Took me 52 minutes and earned £22.31. Moving on to the next one, trip number 2. Let's get it done. Hello. How do you go? Please come in. How are you? All right?
Yes, I'm okay. You?
I'm very well, thank you for asking. Thank you.
This house is right here is fine.
That's
Yeah.
right, fine. Thank you.
My dad's been listening to it already since I was in primary school.
Oh my God, all right.
So I understand what you're saying.
You know, it's good. Thank you very much, Abigail.
Very-
It's good to pick you up. Take care. Bye-bye. Right, second trip of the day completed. Moving on to the next one. Trip number 3. Let's get it done. That's trip number 3 completed. It was a distance of 8.27 miles. Took me 34 minutes and earned £14.60. Moving on to the next one, trip number 4. Let's carry it on. Hello,
Hi there.
Gemma. Yeah? Thank you. No worries. Anywhere good here?
Yeah, anywhere here is
I
absolutely
just
fine,
stopped
thank
by the
you.
road here. Okay.
Perfect.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good afternoon. Bye-bye. That's trip number 4 completed. It was a distance of 2.68 miles. Took me 14 minutes and earned £6.58. And I got a pound tip on this one. Moving on to the next one, trip number 5. Let's get it done.
Hi.
Hello, hi. Please come in. Cecilia, yeah? Please come in.
He doesn't have his phone. Should I get out, do you think?
Yes, yeah, definitely.
Lots of
Thank you.
many more songs that are in the
Anyway, here's okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so
I
much.
hope you enjoyed the trip.
I did. Thank
Thank
you.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice day.
And you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. That's trip number 5 completed. It was a distance of 2.54 miles. Took me 10 minutes, 53 seconds and earned £5.36. Moving on to the next one, trip number 6. Let's go there. Hello.
Hello there.
Please come in. Thank you very much.
Didn't. Thank you very much.
No worries. Have a good day.
And yourself.
Bye-bye. That's trip number 6 completed. It was a distance of 1.73 miles. Took me 10 minutes and earned £4.70. Moving on to the next one, trip number 7. Let's get it done. Hello.
Sylvia.
Sylvia, yeah. Please come in. Hi, you all right? Thank you. That's trip number 7 completed. It was a distance of 3.64. Took me 22 minutes and earned £10.48. Moving on to the next one. Trip number 8. Let's get it done. Hello.
Hello.
Thomas, yeah?
Yep.
Thank you.
Well, thanks a lot,
Thank you.
sir.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Cheers. That's trip number 8 completed. It was a distance of 3.23 miles. Took me 12 minutes and earned £7.66. Moving on to the next one. Trip number 9. Let's get it done. Hi, young man. All right?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please come in, guys.
It's okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. See you later. Bye, guys. See ya. That's trip number 9 completed. It was a distance of 18.57 miles. Took me 1 hour and 3 minutes and earned £25.50. Moving on to the next one, trip number 10. Let's get it done. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hekin.
Yeah.
Thank you. That door's not shut. Thank you. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you very much.
Yes. See you
Have a nice
later.
day.
And you. Bye-bye. That's trip number 10 completed. It was a distance of 6.20 miles. Took me 24 minutes and earned £9.49. Moving on to the next one. Trip number 11. Let's get it done. Hello. That's Gandha. Yes. Thank you. Well spotted. It's very slow.
It's very
The bus
slow
is here.
and it's extremely windy.
Easy outside, so you needed to come in. Wow, that's good.
I've been waiting here for like 30 minutes. My
Wow.
internet flunked, like it's not working.
Okay.
And I was like, my husband literally booked it. He's sitting in Amsterdam. He booked it for me.
Oh my goodness. you are here in London, you couldn't book it.
Yeah.
And he had to book, oh my goodness. What's happening? Is that train problems?
Yeah,
Or?
the trains are cancelled.
Oh, why? Do you know why?
No, I don't know.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much to you
No
for
problem.
coming. Thank
No worries.
you.
Good night. That's trip number 11 completed. It was a distance of 3.25 miles. Took me 10 minutes, 28 seconds, and earned £7.89. Moving on to the next one, trip number 12. Let's get it done. But before I get into it, I've got one question for all Uber drivers watching me right now. Do you treat Uber as a real business, or is it just a side hustle? Are you focused on strategy, profit, and building something long term? Or do you just jump online when you need something extra? Drop your comments below, as I'm really interested to see how different drivers approach the game. Because the way you answer these questions changes everything. There is no wrong answer to these questions. I just want to know, I'm just being inquisitive to see how you operate out there.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
Good. Yeah, I'm good, thanks.
That's good. Good. Let's go.
Dude,
Thank you very much.
thank you.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh.
That's trip number 12 completed. It was a distance of 6.42 miles. Took me 22 minutes and earned £9.96. Moving on to the next one, trip number 13. Let's get it done. No worries, you okay? Thank you.
It's okay, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Thank you very much.
You helped me a lot. See you later.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Don't worry too much.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye. That's trip number 13 completed. It was a distance of 1.3 miles. Took me 5 minutes, 20 seconds, thereabout, and earned £4.69. Moving on to the next one, trip number 14. Let's get it done.
Hiya.
Hello, hi, is it Grace, yeah?
Yeah.
Please come in. Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
It's good. Thank you.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you very much. There's a bike coming on the
Yeah.
side for a moment. All right, we're good now.
Perfect,
Thank you. Good night. That's trip number 14 completed. It was a distance of 4.13. Took me 13 minutes and earned £8.16. Moving on to the next one. It's time to bring the shift to a close. After that last trip, I have been waiting for about 10 minutes for a new one, which didn't surface. And I am also about 10 minutes away from home. I have decided to sign off early than expected. Now, let's do the numbers. But before I do the numbers, let me just remind us about the question I asked in my intro. Do you treat Uber driving as a business, or is it just a side hustle to earn extra income? Let's begin the conversation in the comments below. Now is the moment we've all been waiting for. Online time, 7 hours, 48 minutes. Driving time, 6 hours, 7 minutes. Trip, 14. EV charge, £17.50. Total tips, £3. Mileage, 86 miles. Total earnings, £142.40. Thank you for joining me on today's ride. If you have enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, drive safe, stay smart, and I shall see you in the next episode.